Welcome to Purposefully AI. If you've been trying to sell AI services without success, it's probably because you're selling the wrong thing. Clients don't buy AI, they buy results. Today, I'll show you exactly how to package AI into services that solve real business problems, deliver fast results, and convert clients consistently. The biggest mistake beginners make is offering things like AI writing or ChatGPT services. This sounds impressive to you, but confusing to a client. A business owner doesn't wake up thinking, I need AI. They wake up thinking, I need more customers, more time, or more sales. Focus your service on the outcome, not the tool. Clients actually buy three main types of AI-powered services. Let's look at what they are. First, time-saving services. Businesses pay to get their time back. You're selling hours they don't have, covering tasks like social media captions or customer support replies. Second, revenue-generating services. If your service helps a business make money, they don't ask many questions. This includes sales page copy, ad copy, and email campaigns. They care that it works, not how it's made. Third, done-for-you content is one of the fastest ways to get paid. Think weekly Instagram posts, YouTube short scripts, or a newsletter written and scheduled. AI lets you deliver in minutes what would normally take hours. Now let's talk about how to package these services so they actually sell. You need a powerful, clear formula. The formula you should always use is problem, deliverable, time frame, and result. This clearly communicates value. A bad offer is AI writing services. A good offer is, I create 10 high-engagement Instagram captions for busy coaches, delivered in 24 hours. Notice, no mention of AI. AI stays behind the scenes, and you stay client-facing. Use tools like ChatGPT quietly by prompting it to act as a professional copywriter and match the brand's tone. You don't need ads or a fancy website to start finding clients. They are already out there looking for solutions to their problems. Clients are actively searching on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups for small businesses, LinkedIn, and niche communities on Reddit. Simple outreach works best. Something like, I help coaches save time by handling their content each week. Want a free sample? Samples close deals faster than explanations. Let's talk about pricing your AI services to ensure you're making real income and scaling correctly. Start simple. Aim for $25 to $50 per task, or $100 to $300 per month for a small package. As you build proof and get results, raise your prices, not your workload. The power of AI scales you, not the client. You now know the three services clients actually buy and the formula to package them effectively. Your action plan is simple. Pick one real business problem, package it into a clear outcome-based service, and use AI to deliver faster than anyone else. If you want a step-by-step system to get started, download the free AI Money Starter Kit below. Simple systems, real income.